Have you ever been to an event or a concert or any sort of social event and you really want to talk to somebody or get closer, right? But your seats are crappy, right? You're sitting in the back or you're in the corner, you're leaning against the wall. There's a trick, and I want to show you this technique that really is effective without being a douchebag, okay? So, for example, my son and I went to this concert. He likes Primus, right? This band called Primus. So we went to this concert, and our tickets were GA, right? So we were like stuck in the back because we got there barely on time. But he goes, man, I'd love to see my favorite bass player, Les Claypool, play his beautiful bass guitar up close. I want to see how his fingering is on the techniques and all that stuff. I'm like, okay, well, let's get this. So the key is this: smile, look like you have some major important intent. You have to put your mindset in, I'm supposed to be doing this. And then you walk through the crowd and you look forward and you say, thank you, excuse me, thank you, instead of sorry, sorry, sorry. And a lot of times in life, we say sorry a lot. We say sorry. But if you can get your thank you ratio to higher than sorry, you're almost causing the future to become a reality by manifesting it with positive energy. So moral of the story, say thank you and stop saying sorry.